What is up, guys? Fishing on Velasquez here. Today I want to tell you about a toolkit that needs to be in your backpack, boat, or kayak. The Sidomma multi-use pliers and fishing grippers combo. This dynamic dual is made out of aircraft grade anodized aluminum that offers corrosion resistance in the most harsh conditions. The pliers offers perfect size ergonomic handles along with super sharp braid cutters, making these pliers lightweight, comfortable, and easy to carry in its sheath. The grippers include a non-slip handle and easy spring mechanism, allowing you to get a hold of the biggest fish without hurting them or yourself. So how good are the braid cutters on the Sidomma multi-use pliers? Let's test it out. 30-pound braid. Check out how effortlessly it cuts through it. Let's put it to the true test. 7 strands of 30-pound braid. There's 3, there's 4, there's 5, 6, 7 strands. Look how effortlessly you can cut through 7 strands of 30-pound braid. Let's see how they perform out on the water. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Oh yeah, it's good. Oh yeah. Oh, he came off. Ah. Fish on, guys. Oh yeah, fish on. Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah. All right, guys, this is where the Sidomma grippers help out a lot. Easily can get a hold of that fish while you untangle the net, and then its significant other will help you unhook that fish. Check out the hook set right there. Grab hold of the hook and out it goes. So go check out the Sidomma multi-use pliers and gripper combo online. Thank you for watching. We'll see you all on the next adventure.